Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the units of measurements on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should wait till it's loaded in, obviously, and then click on the more button that you are going to find at the bottom of the screen in the right side. That's the last option. Then scroll down and click on settings. Tap on the third option, device settings, and click on Alexa on this phone at the top of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the measurement units section and tap on it. Here you should select from 4 options and 2 categories. So in the temperature section you can select from Fahrenheit or Celsius. Tap on the relevant one and a checkmark icon will appear next to the one that you have selected. And the next one is distance. You have 2 options here, miles or kilometers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.